Welcome on board. Before we begin, let's take a look at the course navigational features. The course title is displayed here. Click the three lines to view or hide the menu and audio transcript tab. The audio transcript tab displays the text of the voiceover audio. Note that some pages may not have voiceover audio and have the text no audio displayed. Use the play-pause button to play or pause the current page. Use the volume button to adjust the volume of the audio. Finally, use the previous and next buttons to view the previous or next page. At the end of this course, you will be able to describe situational awareness in the context of shipboard operations, describe why situational awareness is important to them and their work, and describe some of the tools available for increasing and maintaining situational awareness. Let's get started. Can you guess the correct percentage of human error attributed to situational awareness issues? Did you notice that the pie chart sections did not match the percentage it represented in the question? Take a look at this short video to understand the importance of situational awareness. Throughout these scenarios, we have seen how vital it is to maintain situational awareness at all times. Whether it's navigating through unexpected weather, staying vigilant on the bridge, or managing alarms in the engine control room, situational awareness is key to preventing incidents and promoting safety. To summarize, we can say that safety is everyone's responsibility. You must remain aware of your surroundings, stay focused on your tasks, and be prepared to respond to changing conditions. By doing so, you can ensure a safe and efficient operation for everyone on board. Let's begin with the basics. Go ahead and find out what is situational awareness, why learn about it, and what are the different types of failures related to situational awareness.
According to the APA Dictionary of Psychology, situational awareness is a conscious knowledge of the immediate environment and the events that are occurring in it. It involves perception of the elements in the environment, comprehension of what they mean and how they relate to one another, and projection of their future states. Situational awareness consists of three elements: perceiving environmental elements, comprehending the situations, and projecting future status. So basically, these elements map to the questions, what, so what, and now what?
So why learn about situational awareness? It improves safety and efficiency by empowering you to employ situational awareness in order to execute timely, impactful decisions. Awareness buys you time, and time buys you options. Remember, up to 88% of human error is due to situational awareness problems.
There are different types of failures related to situational awareness. Let's take a look. 78% don't get the information that is needed. The causes behind this could include visual barrier or auditory masking, information not provided, measurement error, misread or misheard values, information not attended to, and so on. 17% don't correctly understand information they do get. For example, mismatching cues to wrong diagnosis as a result of wrong mental model, and condition not known to observer or no mental model. 5% don't project what will happen in future, which leads to failure to project or overprojection based on current trends.
To improve our situational awareness, we must train our abilities, skills, and knowledge. Abilities refer to innate or developed traits that determine how well a person can perform specific tasks. Skills refer to learned behaviors or actions that a person can perform well due to practice and experience. Knowledge refers to information and understanding that a person has acquired through learning and experience. Click the boxes to find out what these terms mean with regards to situational awareness. It is possible to train for situational awareness. So, how do we, as shipboard officers, train for or learn situational awareness? Well, to do so you do not rise to the occasion, but fall to the level of your training. Note that your training should be recent, relevant, and realistic. We must approach situational awareness from two perspectives. Bottom-up data-driven processing, to maintain awareness of incoming information to adjust your mental decision-making models, and top-down goal-driven processing, to understand operational goals and apply relevant mental decision-making models. Let's take a look at bottom-up data-driven processing examples from both bridge and engine control room perspectives. Now let's take a look at the top-down goal-driven processing examples. Before we move on, let's understand what is decision-making. Decision-making is the process of evaluating available information, considering potential outcomes, and selecting the best course of action. In safety-critical domains, such as ours, it frequently happens under stress, time constraints, and often with incomplete data. So, situational awareness and decision-making go hand in hand. Now that you know that a good level of situational awareness is required for quality decision-making, let's introduce a tool or framework that helps in quality decision-making. The Observe, Orient, Decide, Act, or OODA loop is a decision-making framework that allows individuals to adapt effectively to changing situations. The OODA loop is also known as the Boyd cycle. Click the titles to learn what each of these terms means. There are multiple barriers to situational awareness. Here is a list of barriers that are most relevant to us on the ship. Note that cognitive tunneling and workload, fatigue, and other stressors are the two most critical ones. Go ahead and take a look. Note that this is a critical barrier. Note that this is a critical barrier. Note that knowing each of these definitions is not the objective. It is important to understand that there are many barriers to situational awareness. However, knowing which of them are most relevant is the key. We hope that through this training, you've built a situational awareness foundation, a broader understanding of its importance to you and your work, and some of the tools available for increasing and maintaining it. Growing your working knowledge of situational awareness and its tools will help you execute timely, impactful decisions, improving safety and efficiency. Remember, awareness buys you time, and time buys you options.